Hello everyone, my name is Bad Wolf. It's been a while. Well, not for a while for you guys, but as you can see, I'm back in the same background. I'm in my grandma's room right now. I'm usually in the living room, not a couple of videos. I am figuring out some stuff. Like, my mom got me an old, PS4, like a very, very old PS4. It's like the first one that they ever made. So, if any of you guys have games for that kind, well, can you send them to me so I can play them? And if you guys want me to play the games that you send, tell me in the comments below. And other news, some of you have been asking me about my Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. So here's the information for every single one of those. I can't edit it on the side or anything. I will someday. So you can follow me on those. If you have any questions or want to know something, anything new, I'll put up, or you can talk to me or anything like that. It has been a good summer vacation for me so far. Still in Olney. My mom and dad's still in Alabama. Hey mom, dad, if you're watching this, hi! Man. Oh, what else I was gonna say? Yeah, I am enjoying my summer so far. I hope you guys are too, wherever you are in the world or country or whatever. I have been thinking about new stuff about the funny videos. I'm not coming up with any ideas I can do at the moment, but you'll see them in the future. Hopefully. If I can get some people to help me out with the videos. Like if I can get my grandma or brother or someone. Well, that's all the time for this episode. If you like this video, click the like button down below. And if you guys haven't seen it before, here's the information on how to get in contact with me. So, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos see the more videos that I've done. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye!